Next topic what we are going to see, that is the law and the government. Law and the laws and the government, the decision or the rules and the government, what is how the government is taking the rules, that we are going to think. The government makes laws and everyone who lives in the country has to follow. In the, we can say, the government is making the laws, and who want to obey? Each and every people, those who are living in that particular territory. If it is state level or national level, if state level means in that territory of the state they want to obey. If it is national level, all the people of India they want to obey. And this is the only way the government can function. That is the only way, by making law and asking the people to follow. That is the way of functioning the government. Just like the government has the power to make decision, similarly it has the power to enforce its decision. First one, the government want to make the decision, and at the same time government want to enforce the people to follow the that particular decision. For example, there is a law that says that all people driving a motor vehicle must must have a license, or any persons caught driving a vehicle without license can either be jailed or fined large sum of money. The people, there is a rule like that in the from the government, like that everyone, those who are driving the vehicle, they should have the license in their hand, and those who are coming without license, they will get from the government side. That is the rule of the government, given by government, that each and every people should follow that one. And without laws, the government's power to make the decision is not much use. Means that is the one of the function of government, or role of the government, that is the making of law, that you will study in 8th standard more detail. 8th standard more detail, it is a lesson how to make the laws, how the government is making the laws. That is the one of the lesson what we want to study in 8th standard. So here what we are making, we are understanding that is the role of the government, or who is making the laws, that is by government. And example also said like that, license and other things. Then think of an example of another law. Why do you think it is important that people abide by this law? If you are thinking about again but we can say other some of the situation of India or any other country, like that we can say like that, the other traffic rules, like that if the person, if we are walking, we want to cross the road, then we want to think about the zebra cross and cross the road safely. Or education, if you are without writing 10th standard, you want to get 10th standard certificate, means it is not possible. And get for higher study, when we are going for 11th and 12th, we want to get the certificate of 10th, then we can approach for 11th studies. Then after 12th studies, if you want to go for graduation, that time we should have the certificate of 10th as well as 12th. Like that some rules are there. So think like that any one of the situation, and we want to answer that. Why do you think it is important that people abide by this law? People, those who are going for higher studies, why they should have like this certificate? Why it is like the different things you can take. License is another one thing. Then if you are going for election voting purpose, you should have the election voter ID card or Aadhaar card, something like that things in your hand, like that things it is there as a rule. Then in addition to any actions that government can take, there are also steps that people can take if they feel that a particular law is not being followed. The government is taken some of the rules, some made by the government, and we know some of the rules it is controversial. For example, last year in a month of December, January, that time we have heard like that some CAA bill, a citizenship bill, and it was become controversial, and many people started to ask question, or they started to ask made protects or strike in the roadside. So any action that government can take, if the government taking some any action, there are also steps that people can take. people, the government, how what all rules giving by the government, and that can that thing government, people can ask questions to the government if they are feeling like that it is not good for the people, and some of the people, if the rule is there, for example license, and some of the people, some of the groups, they are not following, then government, other people can ask question, or police, or like that, any different agencies as well as peoples are there to ask questions. If a person feels for example that they were not hired for a job because of their religion or caste, he or she may approach the court and claim that the law is not being followed. The government, for in government services, if they are called, given the this one job opportunity to the all people, and when they selected some of the caste people or religious people only selected, then other people can go and approach the court to get the means they can say like that government is not following the law given by the given in the constitution, or what is the decision taken by the government, and the court can then give the order that about what should be done. The court, what they will do, they will give the order to the government what the government really, or what it should do for the people. So what we studied today, we studied about the introduction of the government, and second one, we studied about the different duties of the government. Then we studied about the levels of government, and we studied about the law and the government, means one of the major function of the government, that is the law making, how the government is making law, and that things we will study in higher classes. And if the government is not following the rules and regulations made by the government, or what is there in the constitution, then we can approach the court to get that particular thing. And tomorrow we are going to study, means in next class we are going to study types of government, and in that we want to study about democratic government. Then we want to study about types of government. One is democratic government, and monarchy, then like that different types of government we want to study. First one, it is democratic government. Where is the second part? Okay, then another forms of government like monarchy, then the dictatorship, like that things. And those who are planning to do the MBA or like that courses in the future, you want to study these types of government. You want to study that time again as the types of leadership, as a charismatic leader, as a dictator leader, or monarch leader, or in other words, we are going to study like that democratic leader, like that in different names. We will study all these things in when we are going for the higher study. So it is important, the types of government. And we are stopping here, and you will get your worksheet soon. Thank you. Have a nice day.